And for the month of May, we are going to focus on autoimmune disease. So this week, let's focus on multiple sclerosis. It is a disease of the central nervous system, the brain, and the spinal cord. And so when you've got MS, your body, for some unknown reason, wants to attack the myelin that protects all of the nerves that allow electrical impulses to fire out to make lots of things occur. So therefore, symptoms can include you can go blind, you can stop swallowing, you can have body pain, bladder and bowel issues, organ issues, cognitive changes, you can lose your balance, or you can become paralyzed. So at the moment there is no known cure, but we're working very hard, doing a lot of research, and there will be a cure one day, I am sure. So I personally was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis about 15 years ago when I was 24 years old. And looking back, I know now that from that moment on, I started to focus all of my energy on what I was scared of, terrified that I might end up disabled, bedridden, or worse. 5 years later, my worst fears were actually realized, and the entire left-hand side of my body did become completely paralyzed. I couldn't walk, wash, or feed myself, and I couldn't get dressed without help. It was my rock bottom time. I was faced with never walking again, but living in rehabilitation, working with a wonderful team of medical practitioners, I thankfully did walk and I ran again. And I promised myself from that moment on that I would dedicate my life exploring how the body recovers and the mind-body connection, whilst also helping other people recover too. I found MS Limited Australia when I was newly diagnosed, and they really did help me to understand the disease and what my choices were from there, and various different treatments that were available. I'm really excited to be an MS ambassador now, and I really enjoy speaking at fundraisers and events, helping to generate awareness, helping to raise important funds for multiple sclerosis. I'm really excited this year to be a part of the Dream Home Lottery campaign with MS Limited. There's some really exciting prizes. Get your tickets. It's on the msdreamhomelottery.com.au website, and you can win a $2.6 million home in any location of your choice, or you can win $2.6 million in gold if you choose that instead. There's a 1 in 15 chance of winning, and there's about $6,600 worth of prizes, so yeah, get in early. And this year we're also getting involved with the MS Walk and Fun Run. It's actually a tradition every year since I walked again, which was in 2009 when I was 29 years old. That was 10 years ago now. Ever since I walked again, I do jog, walk, run, the fun run. But over the past few years, I've been honored to speak. And this year I'll be speaking again as the ambassador for the Fun Run. So come down and join Team Bend Like Bamboo. We have a team that runs, and we all run together, and we go out for brunch afterwards. It's really fun. So find all of this information on posts that you'll be seeing this month. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.